สวัสดีครับ Hello my name is ภูริพัฒน์ทองแก้มแก้ว you can call me Kaptan. I am 22 years old. I am currently a fourth year student majoring in electrical engineering at King Mongkut Institute of Technology Lagabang or KMITL in Thailand. I'm really excited to join the Work and Travel USA program because I believe it a great opportunity to experience working in an international environment, to improve my English communication and to grow as a person. I have worked on many group projects and volunteer activity. I recently completed an internship at ICAT Mae Maw, Lampang, Thailand, where I had the opportunity to work in a real job environment, collaborate with people of different age and background, and handle takes the required teamwork, responsibility, and problem solving. And in just 2 weeks, I will also be going to Taiwan for a short-term international research project for 4 months. I'm really looking forward to working with people from the other country, and I believe this experience show that I am adaptable, responsible, and open-minded. I consider myself a hardworking and friendly person. I enjoy work with the other and always try to stay positive. Even under the pressure, I believe I can quickly learn new things and adjust to new environment. In the future, I hope to use the knowledge and experiment that I gain from this program to support my personal and professional development. I want to become someone who is confident working in diverse team, whether in Thailand or abroad. The reason I choose this program because it's not just a job, it's a chance to explore, to go, and make a new friend from around the world. I'm also looking forward to sharing Thai culture with the other and learning more about the American lifestyle. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and I hope I will get the chance to be a part of this meaningful experience. Thank you.